A crack in your foundation can mean many different things. Generally, it's caused by foundation settling, or there could be a problem with your foundation. Stay tuned to hear the difference between foundation settling and foundation problems. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. The foundation of your home is always a concern for a homeowner. If there are issues, we want to get to the bottom of them quickly. In this video, I will tell you what a settling foundation is, what foundation problems are, and how to tell the difference between the two. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. When we talk about a settling foundation, what that means is that the footing of your home has usually broke off from the rest of your home's foundation and has begun to sink. Whether that's due to bad soils, droughts in the soils, or oversaturation of water in the soil. When we talk about foundation problems, this is a broader term for what's going on with your foundation. This can be foundation settling. It can be your basement walls or crawl space walls bowing in. Sometimes in an inspection report, this can refer to sagging floors or main beam issues as well. Foundation settling is something that has to be addressed with helical piers. It's something that we have to move the footing in the foundation. We have to stabilize it or move it back up and try to get it to level. When we're talking about foundation with problems, this could mean just simple cracks in the foundation. This could mean bowing walls or the settling foundation. So this is going to require a lot more investigation to really get down to the problem. And if you hear that term, you're going to want to think as a homeowner, I want specifics. I want to know exactly what the problems are with my foundation and determine if it's bowing, if it's settling, if it's cracking. What is it actually that's happening? To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your foundation? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.